Look at this big mess. Alright, we had to unhook it from the valve cover right here, and this thing will come out. We're gonna be cleaning this up. There we go. Look at that. Jesus Christ, look at this, guys. That's nasty. You can imagine what's the inside the valve cover. If you just see it from that hose, that is nasty. Alright, so this is what it looked like. It's a lot kind of better now than before. You can see this hose right here, this plastic hose, the bypass hose, this plastic hose from the thermostat going to the back here, I think to the heater core. There's a big clip right there. We have to push that clip out, and then this whole plastic hose will come out. Alright, yeah, so this is the hose right here I'm talking about, and there's a clip retainer right there. Be careful with that retainer clip. Alright, I'm gonna put my hand around underneath here like that while I'm pushing it out. There we go. Alright, let's take out that retainer. It's better to take it out. We don't want to leave it like that because I don't like that. It might not gonna stay, and then we're just gonna push this out. Wiggle. There you go. Watch out. Just a little bit of coolant came out. And this is it. Let's move that away. There's another screw down here that's secured. We're gonna take it out so this whole plastic pipe will come out. Alright, take out the screw out. I'm gonna use a T27 and just a little bracket right here that holds up plastic just right there, and then this will come out. Just go behind here and then just use the tool to spin it. Alright, so this is the hard part. Is gone. It's done. This is it. That's the bolt right here that holds this plastic down to the block, so it's loose now. Alright, so hopefully we could push this out. We're gonna have leaking coolant after taking this out from the thermostat housing here. I'm just gonna grab a pry bar here and then we'll push it out like that. Okay, nice and steady. Alright, make sure you get the rag ready because it's gonna be leaking coolant after here. So it's gonna shove it in here, or you could put towel. Alright, I was just gonna put towel in here because it's gonna be leaking a lot of coolant. Okay, so it's gonna shove it in there. It's gonna get absorbed. Let's put one on the other side. So taking out this plastic line right here, it's gonna be a big mess. Alright, so there we go. We're gonna pry this thing out from the back of the block here. Let's see if this will work. There we go. Let's shove it in there. So it's gonna stop leaking. Alright guys, so it looks like we got the coolant cleaned up here. There's no more, just a little bit of a coolant left, but not much, just a little bit. Now it's time to take out the PCV system right here. You can see all these screws down there. Those are T30 is what I use, nice and snug, T30. So we're just gonna quickly take those out. One over here that's loose already. Make sure Check that out. Alright, take out all the bolts before we start taking out the PCV. You don't want to lose this. You don't want to drop it down on that valley of the block. There we go. They're all the same size, so there's nothing to worry about going in the same spot. Alright, I think that's it. Okay, looks like we're doing good here. Okay, we'll pry it off open. Alright, we're gonna get some pry bar and move this thing out on this side in the corner because it's sealed tight. There we go. I could see the coolant coming out already. Alright, there we go. It's filling up with coolant. No. Okay, we're gonna have to take out this pressure sensor here for the fuel, because this PCV is not coming out. This is on the way, so we're gonna take it out. It's not bad. A little bit of fuel gonna leak, but we're gonna have to catch the fuel with the towel again. There you go. Put that on the side. Not much leaks, but let's try taking this out now. Jesus Christ, it's just not coming out. Alright, so again, it's hard to take this out because this is on the way. I'm gonna have to take out this runner out, this intake runner. T30, all those bolts right there, and then this is a 10 mil right here. 10 mil. Oh, don't want to lose that. Alright. There's one in the middle right here. And then there's one at the back. I'm just gonna pry this thing up. It's like really stuck in there. Just be careful, you don't wanna break it. Alright, pry bar again. Keep prying it out. There we go. Fuel leaking everywhere. We're gonna be changing this intake gasket runner. Clean that up. Alright, let's put this on the side. Alright, so let's take out this PCV now. Hopefully this will come out easy. Nothing on the way. Jesus Christ. There we go. There we go. It's almost coming out. Damn. That's nasty. There she is, guys. It's so flat, this gasket. Really bad, really bad. Look at that. That's just coolant, oil, and fuel. All mixed up. This is really bad. Look at those gaskets squished all the way in. Yeah, right there. Alright, we'll clean her up and let's put a brand new one.